Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am not, to be honest. I'm having a very bad headache. I feel low, I feel sad. But yeah, today I'll be giving you guys a little vlog. I have some stuff to get done today. If I not get all of them done today, I want to get most of them done, because I can't just sit and not get what I have to get done. Right now I'm in the kitchen about to make something to eat. I'm gonna make some potato and probably mackerel, because potato and mackerel really nice, or baked bean or saltfish. Right now I'm alone there. Jason left the house. He didn't say anything to me, but yeah, still I gonna make something to eat, so when him come back, or if him come back, him can have something to eat, because by the looks of it, it don't look like him eat anything. So I'm gonna whip up something real quick. I know most I want to say what take place, and it's just an unfortunate situation. You know, I feel bad, I feel sad, say it reach right here. So, and this morning he came in the room that I slept in, and he wanted us to have a conversation. I don't remember exactly what he said. I know he wanted us to have a conversation, but I just couldn't. My head was hurting so bad. I went to bed late. I am just out of it. I feel low. Feel so low. Never did in the frame of mind. I got up, I took a shower. I wanted to wash my hair, but I did to pull it out from last night. Never get a chance to. So I think I just make it stay in them plait here until I get it washed and got the hairdresser. When I got out, I did suggest he left the house. I didn't say anything to me, so I don't know where I'm gone. But yeah, I'm gonna start cook right now, so let us get into it. Okay. All right. Alright, so I'm gonna just the potato alone, because I don't have no banana or yam, and I'm not gonna do a dumpling. Yeah. Should I actually wash them off first before me peel them, because they're really dirty, so I'm gonna wash them off. I normally wash them off first, so I don't know why I even. I was looking for you. Well, let me have to make it fast. Are you me talking to Jason? Jason, are you me talk to you now?
You know, give me a call.
Jason, I didn't see the call. At first, you ever gonna call me and get me? I didn't see it. It's okay. You don't have to talk. It's okay. You never call me and I get me before. I know what you have in your back of your head, so I ignore you. It's alright. No, I know say that you want to say Jason, but it's okay. Yes, Jason Lovell called me.
One time Lovell called me.
So it means that because Lovell called me and get me and you call me and I get me, it means that I did not ignore you.
3 times I call you and
and where you even pack? Where you go? Jason, where are you going?
I like to care.
And I like some care, so I don't care.
I don't know if you do.
You see how you stay this morning, you came to talk to me and you wake me up out of my sleep. And when I wake up, I don't see you. I wake up, I go bed, I come out, I don't see you. And I say, babe, may I leave? And I say, nothing. That's not how we normally do things. We normally tell each other before we leave the house. You just left the house and people say, Angel, I'm gone. And you come back and I pack.
Well, every day you have me this year.
I wasn't, Jason, I'm having a very bad headache. And I am now going to do this to them. My head hurt me really bad.
Exactly. We're not going to do this none at all. So, give me a little space, I want a little break from the relationship. I need a little break from the relationship. In my mind. Because probably that's the only thing right now to make sure that, you know, just let it go.
It's alright, Jason. If you want a break, take a break. No, it's alright. Take a break, Jason. Take a break. I woke up, I went in the bathroom to take a shower, to come out, come talk to you in a day, you left the house.
Bro,
no, this is just so funny. Why you pack?
Listen, I need a break from the relationship, see? And it makes sense to take a break and me in the same house because I don't feel like me in the mood or even the mood for talk right now. So it makes sense me take a break and me still looking at each other's face. You understand? And that's just how I feel right now. So, I feel like that 20 times better than me and argue back and front.
So this is what you want, Jason?
I know what I want, you know. I have to try something that can help you, you know, because this not help, you know. I can't bother with them.
Jason, what happened today again? What happened? What happened today again, Jason? What happened? You come round the room if me never ready for talk. When I wanted to talk. And it's cool. In order for me to get over this right now, I need a break. Really?
I need a break.
Alright, take a break. It's okay. Take a break. Yeah, it's okay. Pack and leave then, Jason. Since that's what you want to do. My head is hurting so bad. My head hurt me. I wake up with a very bad headache. I went to bed late. And you come around there for talk. And just because I wasn't ready to talk, you leave the house. You didn't say anything at all to me. And then you come back and just a pack. I wasn't even mad. I was here making something for us to eat. So when you come, we could have sit down and we could have eat and talk. And you come back and you just a pack. You just a go leave. You been did want to do this.
No matter what I go say to me right now, you know.
No, it's alright. No, let me move out your way. No, it's cool. It's alright, Jason. It's alright. Now go stress it. I have stuff to get done. You know, I definitely not go stress it. I have stuff to get done. You know, I shouldn't even bother say anything. I shouldn't come fast with them. I shouldn't say anything. I'm go back to what I did I do. So you're just gonna leave. No, you're just gonna leave, Jason.
You don't hear later.
So you don't want to talk.
I don't want to talk. I'm glad you record all because I can't see it as well. So guess what? What now if you ask me where you did? I'm gonna need them after do something today.
It's alright. No, it's alright.
Thanks. Later.
It's alright, Jason. It's definitely alright. So fuck, I'm not even hungry.
You have reached the voicemail.
I just make that finish cook and then I put it in the fridge. Let me cover dish them there, mommy. Anyways, I can still put it in the fridge. I'm not even go bother call back Jason. If him feel like him want a break, I'm gonna allow him to take a break. If him want space, I'm gonna allow him to do it, because at the end of the day, you know, nothing wrong with taking a break, nothing wrong with wanting space. So I just gonna allow him to just make him, just gonna make him do what he want to do. Guys, I'm gonna end off the video. My head hurt me, I'm out of it. I'm gonna wait on the potato to finish boil and put on some clothes. I just take out something for wear. I have to go up on the road. Time I run out, I have important stuff to get done, and everything just a mess up. Everything just a mess up. Bye guys.